Ways to make money online using TikTok. Welcome to this guide on making money on TikTok. TikTok has rapidly become one of the most popular social media platforms, with over 1 billion active users worldwide. However, many people don't realize that they can also make money on the app. Become a TikTok creator. To make money on TikTok, you need to have a significant following. You can do this by consistently creating engaging and high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Participate in TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok has a creator fund that pays eligible creators for their content. To participate, you need to meet certain criteria, such as having at least 100,000 followers and a certain number of views. Brand sponsorships. Brands are always looking for ways to reach their target audience, and TikTok creators with a sizable following can benefit from this by partnering with brands for sponsored content. Sell merchandise. TikTok creators can sell merchandise to their followers, such as t-shirts, phone cases, or other products that align with their brand. Affiliate marketing. You can also make money by promoting products on TikTok through affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services to your followers, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Thank you for watching this video on making money online using TikTok. We hope that you found the tips and strategies shared in this video helpful and informative. Remember, making money on TikTok takes time, effort, and creativity, but with dedication and persistence, you can turn your TikTok account into a profitable venture. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. Best of luck on your TikTok journey. Thanks for watching.